Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, prove the following propositions using a proof by contradiction. The first question says, for all x, y belongs to a real number, if x is less than 0 and 0 is less than xy, then y is less than 0. Now let's go ahead and prove this one. So the proof for this one, so let's say xy belongs to real number. Let xy belongs to real number. Assume x is less than 0 and 0 is less than xy, and 0 is less than or equal to y. Since x is less than 0, we have x is less than or equal to 0. Now x is less than or equal to 0 and 0 is less than or equal to y. So xy is less than or equal to 0 by proposition number 21. Proposition number 21. Now 0 is less than xy and xy is less than or equal to 0. This is by contradiction. Now let's continue in the other side. So this is by contradiction. Therefore we can say if x is less than 0 and 0 is less than xy, then y is less than 0. So we proved this one. That's what the question is asking for, right? So this is our first one. Let's look at the second one. Second one says, for all x belongs to real number, if x is not equal to 0, then x power minus 1 is not equal to 0. Okay, so let's go ahead and prove this one. Proof, let x belongs to a real number. Let x belongs to a real number. Assume x is not equal to 0 and x power minus 1 is equal to 0. Then x times x minus 1 is equal to x times 0. That is equal to 0. However, we also have x times x minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so that's not equal to 0. So we now have x times x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x times x minus 1 also not equal to 0. So this is by these are contradicting each other. X times x minus 1 equal to 0. We have x times x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x times x minus 1 is not equal to 0. This is contradiction. Therefore, if x is not equal to 0, then x power minus 1 is not equal to 0. And we prove this one. And that's how we do that. And these things, if you are trying to learn axioms or other propositions or discrete mathematics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.